All right, so this is my DJ drop. Let's take a look and see what I've got. I've got a bunch of tracks going on here. So we have some drum tracks, and we recorded the right-hand piano. We showed you how to make a left-hand piano in previous videos. We talked about adding a pad, how to make some synthesizers. We also talked about getting a bass line out of this. And I've added some of the pre-recorded audio. You have to have at least 4 of the pre-recorded audio for this assignment. That would be the DJ Mike Nice or the DJ Schloss Boss. Any 4 different audios recorded would be fine to load in. You could use more than 4, perfectly fine. We load each one of the audios, gets their own track, and I've shown you how to edit some audio. They are in previous videos. So I've laid out some stuff here. Let's see what it sounds like all together right from the beginning.
Spinning the hottest beats in the New York tri-state area.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hip hop.
Fuego, fuego, ¿dónde están los bomberos? Rocking the hottest beat.
All right, there we go. So that's the whole thing. Of course, I want to save my work frequently. Make sure you've saved your work. I'm going to take a look here. Instead of looking at beats in the ruler bar, we're going to choose time, because what's important here is that you are under 30 seconds. If you go over ever so slightly, nobody's going to have a real heart attack or anything. But it has to be anywhere between 15 and 30 seconds, completely up to you. A minimum of 15 and a maximum absolutely of 30 seconds. So you can zoom in to make sure that you're at the 30-second mark, which is there. Mine goes a little bit over, so we can edit that out a little bit. There are a couple of ways you could do that. You could speed up the beat ever so slightly. Let's see what that does. Instead of 95, I'm just going to put in 100 and see what happens. It's going to adjust everything. Would you adjust your new data? Sure. It's going to take some time to do this, but you'll see that I've come in under 30 seconds. You want to be careful, because 5 metronome clicks is actually a lot. It really speeds up the tempo and changes the groove completely. Here, take a listen right at what might be considered the drop so you can hear that.
Hip hop.
Fuego, fuego, ¿dónde están los bomberos?
So it actually changes the kind of feel for the music, but I did come in under 30 seconds. You can also do the math to figure out how long is 30 seconds and make sure that you're under. So I'm going to go back to just make it ever so slightly, and you'll see it'll adjust, and I'll still come in at under 30 seconds, I'm pretty sure. It's doing quite a bit of processing, so give it some time to do that. Just relax. So that's how you can look at the ruler bar and adjust tempo and take a listen to your piece. And the next videos, we're going to talk about adding some sound effects.